So the wait for Samsung's most futuristic phone might just be reaching its climax, but only for a very select few. Yes, we're talking about the Galaxy Z Trifold, the world's first triple folding smartphone from Samsung, a device that could redefine what a foldable can be. But here's the catch: according to new reports, Samsung might be keeping this groundbreaking piece of tech on a much tighter leash than anyone expected. This phone isn't just another entry in the foldable lineup. It's a direct rival to Huawei's Mate X-T, and from what's been shown so far, it takes folding displays to a whole new level. Samsung first teased the Galaxy Z Trifold during APEC South Korea 2025, giving the world a glimpse of a device that can unfold into a tablet-sized screen, then fold again into a compact smartphone form, all through a stunning triple-hinged design. Shortly after that showcase, several clips surfaced online, revealing the device from multiple angles and showing clear differences compared to the Galaxy Z Fold 7, thinner bezels, smoother transitions, and a more seamless folding experience. Originally, rumors suggested that Samsung was gearing up for a massive production run somewhere around 200,000 to 300,000 units, with launch plans targeting China and South Korea. But as it turns out, that optimism may have been premature. A Bluetooth SIG listing did hint at global ambitions, showing 6 different model numbers tied to the same Q7M product name. That led many to believe that Samsung was planning to bring the Trifold to multiple regions beyond Asia, possibly to Europe and the Middle East. The UAE was even listed as an official market, sparking more hype. However, a new report from the Elec paints a very different picture. Instead of hundreds of thousands of units, the Galaxy Z Trifold might only see production in the tens of thousands. That's right, a phone this revolutionary might be produced in such limited numbers that most people will never even see one in stores. Reportedly, Samsung told suppliers back in the summer that only 10,000 units were scheduled for production in September. And that plan hasn't seen much progress since. As of early November, the Elec claims Samsung has managed to produce around 20,000 to 30,000 components, though it's still unclear how many fully assembled units that translates to. What's clear, however, is that the Galaxy Z Trifold will be extremely rare, no matter how many countries it launches in. If this report holds true, the Galaxy Z Trifold could become one of Samsung's most exclusive releases ever, a showcase of futuristic design meant more for collectors and enthusiasts than for the masses. So what do you guys think about the upcoming Galaxy Z Trifold? Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. And as always, I will see you guys in my next video. Apple's first ever foldable device is also on the horizon. Don't miss the video linked here for a closer look.